What's up guys, my friends and family, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna react to how are you feeling. How are you feeling today, guys? Just tell me in the description below. So I did a video with it was right here. I did a video over it. It was let's see, so it was this one. It's the end of the world, guys. And now we're gonna watch this video. How are you feeling? And today we are coming right now.
Grace Enterprises, please hold. Oh, hey, boss, hey, Matt. I just finished my How Are You Feeling Today board. You want to see it?
Okay.
Here it is. You like it?
That is so great.
Wait, why is he on Worthless?
What is it?
Well, it's a board with different feelings on it. You know, happy, sad, irritated. And then I put pictures of all of us from around the office so that we could show each other how we're feeling.
Wait, why is he on Worthless?
Why am I on Worthless?
I know, right?
But see, my face is on happy. So, where do you want to put yours? You can change it.
Do you have one that says bored of this conversation? Oh, you do.
I'm moving mine to sad now.
So that report I wanted you to do, were
hey,
you
James,
working?
you want to see my feelings board? I just made it.
Wait, Whitney, I have important to do. I'm too busy to make your feelings feel good.
It's okay. I'm sure he'll feel bad about it later.
In that case, I will put him on guilty.
Irritating.
Hey, guys, I'm so sorry about what I said earlier. That was just... Hey, here, please, take my...
Sorry, guys.
my credit card. Buy yourself something nice. It's the least I can do.
We should move him to awkward.
That was really weird.
Yeah, it was. What do you think his credit limit is?
No, I mean it, Matt. That was strangely coincidental. What if this feelings board controls feelings?
Oh, get real, Whitney. I mean, it's not like if I take Jeremy's face and put it on sick, he's not suddenly going to be sick.
I know, oh my god.
I'm sorry about that.
Oh my god.
That was awesome. This board is amazing, Whitney.
Give me that. We should be using this board to help people. Like Mallory over there. She's been trying to get Adam to notice her for weeks. What she needs is some confidence.
Oh, hold on a second.
Matt!
I'm sorry. I'll move him to Smitten.
Smitten.
Tissue?
Thank you. I will keep this Kleenex forever.
Ask me out, Adam.
Yes.
Wasn't a question, but I like your enthusiasm. I'll go get ready.
I'll come with you. We are going to have so much fun with this thing. You're getting a raise.
Oh, goody.
Thanks for getting me this job, babe. For our first lunch break, I'm going to take you to the best place. Has tables, chairs, you know, little food things.
Hi.
Hey,
Matt, what did you do to her?
I made another square that says attracted to Matt. What's up, girl?
Okay, are you hitting on my girlfriend?
Oh, why don't we move him to encouraging?
Oh, Stacy doesn't have a picture. He's new.
See, I don't like your attitude with this.
Smile.
There it is.
See, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take you upstairs.
done.
You know what? I'm going to show you where the restaurant is where I made reservations. You two have fun. I'm going to go cry myself to sleep, all right?
Okay.
That's a nice guy.
Yeah. Hey, Whitney.
Oh, hi, Malcolm.
I like your shoes today,
Thanks, Malcolm.
and your dress,
Thanks, Malcolm.
and you.
Okay, Malcolm.
Why would you put Malcolm's face on creepy?
I didn't make a picture for Malcolm.
I'll see you later outside your meeting, Whitney.
Wait, which one?
All of them.
He kind of is like a Family Guy.
He's the CEO's nephew. I can't do anything about it.
Oh, hey, we still haven't found a place to put Steven's picture. What do you think? Spontaneous? Playful?
Well, let's mix it up a bit. How about hungry?
Guys, look what I found in the.
Poor cat. Really poor cat. Hold on. Poor cat. That was a poor cat. Sorry if I didn't put my face cam. Ooh, poor cat. Well, see you later. Maybe next video. Bye. Oh my god.